This is problem 79 from chapter 3. We're told that 89 joules of heat are added to a pure gold coin. This time it's gold, not water, so we need to pay attention to that. We've got a mass of 12 grams, and we need to know the specific heat of gold. 0.129 joules per gram degrees Celsius. That's either in your textbook or Siri or Google can tell you that. Just if you go to Google or Siri, make sure you pay attention to the units that are given to you. We're looking for the temperature change. And so again, Q equals MC delta T, 89 joules. Plugging in for Q, 12 grams for the mass, 0.129 joules per gram degrees Celsius for the specific heat. And then we're going to solve for temperature change as if temperature change were just X in the equation. Don't be confused by the delta T. That's just one variable. I'm going to look real quick here. The joules cancel, the grams cancel. And if you manipulate the algebra, you find out that the degrees Celsius does end up in the numerator with the delta T here. And so the unrounded answer, 57.4935, that goes on for a little bit on my calculator. But I've got enough information there to know that I'm going to round that to 57 because it's two significant figures, again, based on the information that was given. The 89 joules or the 12 grams both have two significant figures. So my answer can only have two significant figures.